Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to change server in Valorant. So for this we'll have to change our country of residence in our account settings. So for that you just type in on Google Valorant change region, and now you will be able to check if the changing and updating of your country of residence for your account is possible. So as you can see, in my case it's not. So we will now try and submit a ticket so the agent can assist us. So you just scroll a bit down, submit a ticket. Now we choose account management. After that, what platform? PC, subject, change account region. Then inquiry, you choose account management. After that, another time, need help changing region of residence. Press on that, and now you can add description if you wish, attachments, and then press on submit. And after that they will review your pretty much ticket. They will respond to you into your email, pretty much the one that you've chosen in your account, and they will give you an answer in some time, maybe in a few days or something, I'm not really sure. So just go ahead and press on submit and wait for the mail from the Riot Games with the result. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.